Well, it's a resin box. And it came in this, and I'm sure all orchid people have received boxes like this and get excited because look how big the box is, and all the way from Hawaii. But upon closer inspection, it was from my buddy in Florida. But it's some goodies in here, and I'm gonna do this really quick and sweet. This and stuff. Insipia is a crust, and it is a lot of times profuse. Nice inflorescence. Nice big plant. Next door here is, this is Joyce Kelly, which is a Latoria Johnsonii crossed with Spectale. And this is a bloom-sized plant. Johnsonii is one of the smaller or medium-sized Latourias. Spectale, of course, is big. Then we got this, which is a Cordigera. Purple rain times something. Tower of Power. And finally, but not least of all, there's Trichoglotis. Lauderiana. And this Trichoglotis is going to bloom. And there is a flower bud right on that stalk, right back there. You see that? There's a back view of it right there. And up on this cane, you can kind of very faintly see these little nubbins coming out. Again, this is a species, Trichoglotis Lauderiana. Nice. So that's basically my haul, folks. Keeping it short and sweet. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your orchids.